What is up, everyone? All right, so today is double exciting. First, I get to drift. I haven't been drifting. I haven't been able to drift in a while. I drove a couple weeks ago. My car got totaled in the first like 10 minutes, so I don't really count that. But today we are drifting the 350Z at Thompson Motor Speedway. I haven't really drifted this car, honestly, since probably Florida. I drove a couple laps in the springtime and the clutch went, and I haven't touched it since. So it'll be good. Got to make sure she is all good for drift week, and got to get this thing set up exactly how I want it. But the second thing that I'm excited about is today, the interior of the E36 getting painted, which is a big deal. It's a really big deal. As you guys saw in the last video, we brought up to Spoon's personal garage because he has a really good like paint booth set up there. And well, he's gonna spray it today, and I'm gonna send Steve up there on a little side quest, a little vlog day Steven.
Vlog Steve, speak up Steve.
That's
I'm gonna be in vlog Steve mode.
You gotta get Spoon hyped up because he gets quiet.
We're gonna get Spoon hype. We're gonna try to do a good job. I hope you guys like what we shoot.
So for now, enjoy vlog day Steve, and I'll catch up with you guys later.
So everybody, welcome to the Steve and Spoon vlog. We're trying out some side quest missions. I packed up the SETI. I got Lupin. He's already snoring in the back seat. We're gonna get some stuff done on the E36. Me and Spoon are gonna be hanging for a little while, and I hope you enjoy the side quest vlogage that hopefully could be a reoccurring thing on the channel if you guys champion it. So stay tuned. Let's go, Luke. We have arrived.
Welcome to Casa de Spoon.
Casa de Spoon. He got the E36.
Masked up, ready to go.
What are we doing today?
We spraying the inside.
Raptor liner.
Now we're doing the glossy.
The glossy first?
Yeah. Glossy first, and then we'll mask off the edges and do the floor Raptor.
Nice. It's a nice little setup in here, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, you've done a lot of things in here, I can tell. Got some masks. Respirator for Steve, so I'm not in here dying on the fumes. Yeah, you're ready to go.
Yeah, gun's clean. Oh, I gotta clean the gun, put it together, mix some paint. I'm ready. Gotta get some B-roll before.
He said don't go too crazy on the B-roll, but I might do it anyways. Show him what I could do.
I ain't gonna listen to him. Guns clean, back together, and here, BMW Brilliant Red.
Amazing. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. Anticipation is killing me, Spoon. Oh man, that's brilliant. Look at that.
That's why they call it Brilliant Red.
Man, damn, that's good.
Step one, clean it. Already cleaned it. Mask clean. Now we're gonna go and self-etch over any bare metal. Let that flash off, and then we'll go right to base coat.
Sounds good.
First go around, you're gonna really want to concentrate on all the corners that are hard to get. Once you start putting base coat everywhere, you want to minimize the crawling around. So your first go around, just really focus on all the crevices, all the tight spots. Everything else you can normally do from outside the car.
It's gonna be so good. So Spoon's in there laying down some paint. I got a couple clips of it, but like I said, I wasn't trying to get the camera all covered in paint. I stepped outside. I'm gonna hang out here for a few with Luke. He's loving the backyard. Wild Spoon has emerged.
Base coat's done. turn the heater on, gonna let it bake for about 15-20 minutes.
We'll get back in there and check it out.
Yeah.
Wow, Spoon.
Base coat's done. We said it before, but we've never really specified. We're gonna be raptor lining the floor with tinted raptor line. So it'll be the same red, just texture, just to take the beating from getting in and out, throwing tools in the car. He's gonna have a rough life.
Bro.
Base coat's good.
It looks unreal to see it all like nice and red in here. Nah, I gotta cut you off and just appreciate real quick. Holy shit. Wow.
So the clear portions, what's really gonna test your patience.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where you really gotta take your time and just not miss a spot, not run it. It's easy to run because you're trying to get multiple angles at once. So we want to make it nice, so just take your time.
Looks
Can't wait
good.
to see it.
Wow. Jim, I hope we're making you proud. Look at that.
We're gonna mix up the clear, let the car sit for another 10-15 minutes, and
Start spraying that clear on there.
spraying it.
So I'm gonna let Spoon do his thing in here again. He said it's gonna be clear everywhere, so
Yeah.
this isn't gonna be a.
Definitely not an environment for cameras.
Many minutes later.
So we're back. Spoon fresh out the shower. Gave him some time to. What do you guys call it in paint world? Cure. The paint was doing its thing. He laid down a clear coat, and honestly, wow, wet.
Floor's textured. We take the masking off the cage. It'll bring it all together.
It's beautiful. That red is beautiful though. Come on now. It's wet all over the place. And a boy. Spoon caught a body in here. Gonna eat some food. Catch Jimmy at Thompson.
I want to see the gray.
You want to see the gray?
Yeah,
What do you mean? Oh, like the gray from the cage.
yeah. He told me to wait for him.
But you pulled a little bit off. There it is. The gray on the wet red. What's this red? Brilliant?
Brilliant red.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Which brilliant?
He's not for the streets no more. That's so good, Spoon. If you could give yourself a high five, I know you would. I'll give you one. But let's eat some food and meet Jimmy up at Thompson, all right? Palm the camera.
Alright, this is the part of the video where I'm supposed to be drifting, but unfortunately, in typical Jimmy Oaks fashion, I was crashed into pretty good and it halted the day. So be it. The Z, very resilient. Everything underneath is broken, but it looks kind of normal on camera after you pull it all out. Unfortunately, I bent my rack, so I had a tight spot one way and just couldn't drive for the rest of the day. We had a couple days to get this thing ready for Drift Week, and then hopefully we don't have many accidents on Drift Week, but so be it, it's drifting. But I didn't want to miss out on the rest of the day. I wanted to have some fun, so I decided to take out a different car. My 2022 BRZ. Alright, don't be mad at me for taking this thing on track. I wanted to get a couple laps in and just I wanted to have some fun. All right, so as you guys know, this thing is completely stocked, but it's lowered on BC coils and has aftermarket wheels and tires, obviously. The only weird thing about it is the fact that it has 255s all around. It's a lot of tire, really gripped up, so it made it a little tricky, but I drove through it and had some fun. I didn't push my luck. I drove very defensively, and well, I decided to put a GoPro on, so I hope you guys enjoy the footage. All right, so it is very dark out and my vision sucks, so this might not be the best, but so there's no drift button, so hopefully I don't forget to put it back down. It's so dark I can't see. I'm gonna leave this on so you guys can see. Not having a bucket seat's probably gonna be the hardest part. see. All right, ready? Little e-brake, drag. There we go. Beat the crap out of it. There you go. There we go. Come on. Yeah, we got this. Use the e-brake to finesse it. There we go. There we go, up the hill. Hey, not bad. Not bad. Oh man, it's got a lot of grip right now. This thing's on 255s. I'm using so much back muscle to just keep my body planted in this seat right now. You're gonna see me use a lot of e-brake, and that's only just to make this drifting a little bit smoother in this car. Obviously, I shouldn't have to use that. I should be able to just stay matted to the floor, but since I'm being on the conservative side, I'm gonna use it, all right? All right, I don't wanna hear it. Let's try it. Damn, it's got so much grip. There we go. A little bit of rubbing. Nope, huffed it a little. Huffed it a little too hard there. I gotta chill, I gotta chill. Up the hill. Hey, it made it! I'm so hyped! Stock exhaust, it's so funny. Alright, keep it smooth, keep it smooth. It's like just like a stock 240 with more torque. It's so funny, it feels so comparable to like a stock 240 on coilovers. It's hard to explain, but like this thing you have to like dive into the corner instead of hucking into the corner, just like, you know, like a stock 240 on like coilovers. It just gets unstable quick because there's so much grip. You're doing great, Subaru. Stock exhaust and all. It was a stretch, but I almost had that. Alright, here's the hard part, here's the hard part. There we go, e-brake dive. Down, motherfucker. It's the same spot every time. Come on, get it. There we go, kind of. This thing straightens out way too easily, gets out of hand quick. Ungripping it would do a lot for it, but I want to master it gripped up like this. I want to do it. We could do it. I got this. I got my tracksuit on. I'm here, I'm feeling like the Red Ranger. Car's got 6,000 miles on it. Here we go. All right. The gearing's good at least. All right, let's... There we go, come on, get it. There we go. We got the entry. Come on, you got this. Keep it sideways. Don't spin on me. Here we go. Motherfucker. It like unloads there. I don't want to e-brake that whole damn corner. Long entries. E-brake got stuck. We're good. I got napkins flying at me. Alright, come on, you got this. There we go. Yep, tame it. Love that. Come on, up the hill. You got this, BRZ. Keep it sideways. Damn. It hit the limiter and just like died. There we go. I got napkins flying everywhere. There's Dunkin' Donuts bags flying in the air. Good car. This thing would be a great drift car if they weren't so damn expensive.
Break one, just send the next one in.
That's it.
You want to follow me?
I'm gonna follow you. Smaller tires, bucket seat, angle kit, perfect car. The 19-year-old kid who would inevitably own this in 10 years, I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. It just needs like a hair more of angle and it would be so good. I just want to put it on the record, I have been hot lapping this thing non-stop and the coolant gauge still isn't halfway. Either it's broken, really delayed, or this car is just really good at keeping itself cool. Killed it. Nice work, Subaru, or Toyota. I don't know who did that. The only thing I noticed that really sucks though is if I hit the limiter really hard, the whole car like dies. I tried. Get out of the way so I don't get T-boned. I'd get some outside footage, but it's so damn dark. There we go. There we go. There we go. The whole uphill. Yeah, we got it. There we go. Come on, we got this, we got this. A little. My phone's calling somebody. Hang up. Nice work, Subaru. Nice work. I'm very proud of you. All right, so we drifted the BRZ, and it was a blast. It was way too gripped up, and I was driving pretty defensively, considering what I was driving, right? But it was cool. It was really cool. I can't wait till those things are like cheap enough to justify actually driving those things on course, because they're way too damn expensive to actually go out there and drive. So either way, it's pretty cool to be able to take a car like that on track and be like, I'm gonna say one of the first people to do it. Obviously there's a lot of people who have already taken them on track already, but whatever. I'm gonna shut up. So I'm too brain dead to say anything else, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, even though it was just like some GoPro footage and whatnot. And I hope you guys like the Spoon and Stevie vlog. They did a great job. I'm pumped with them. It's not easy just like taking control and filming yourself and filming other people. It's a lot more daunting than it looks, and I'm proud of them. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.